do it.
Go punk out another.
I can do it.
You're not gonna do
Just
it.
win your life, you have to do
I'll
it.
do it if you do it. Oh, Jesus.
I'm sorry, I can't do it.
These clowns ate some habaneros.
Where's the bullet?
Where you going?
I'm all good. I swear, I'm gonna go good.
I can't even see,
I'm
man.
about to tear up though. I'm all good. Hey, Mom.
Alright, let's go. Move it away. Dude! I know so far!
I'm about to start tearing up.
I'm hot. Dude, I can't eat nothing hot. My tongue's on fire.
Hey, get out of there with that water, man.
My eyes are burning.
Oh my god.
My ears are burning.
I need more water, bro.
Hey, my eyes is burning. I ain't eat one.
Wow,
For
you
real.
two are something else. I wasn't even like this.
You didn't eat the whole thing.
Charles, why do you keep walking around?
What are you doing, man? Charles, what are you doing? You all right?
Now you understand why you don't want to talk, huh? What I told you guys I ate.
Is it worth it?
No.
Told you don't do it. I said don't do it.
It's making it harder.
No kidding. Water makes it hotter. It's genius. Oh, wait. Yeah, don't mess up my...
I can't open it. I don't have time. My mouth, I think my mouth is very well.
Hey, man, what you doing? Hey, there's water all on the floor over there.
I'll clean it up later.
That's wood. It's going to be messed up.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Dude, you dropped a piece of bread on the floor, too.
Throw that away.
No, you got to eat that.
There's one on the floor.
You want one, man?
He's gonna die. I was all good at the beginning.
You should probably get some milk, man.
Yeah, milk.
Bread? The bread's probably working, huh?
I feel like I want water right now.
Get out of there with that.
I'm gonna go run.
Where you going, man?
Look, I'm about to throw up.
Ooh, it's going to be hot coming back up.
It's gonna hurt if you throw up.